to go get my cards, everything. I'll read it. We need to get it.
Alright, don't worry, let me call the princess to quickly...
No, get the cards.
Okay. Go. Alright guys, the prince has forgotten his wallet. And you guys will return to the palace and get it for him immediately. Yes, sir. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
That's good. That's good.
This is Africa.
Yes, guards, I forgot my wallet. And I have a lot of my cards and you know everything that you have in a wallet. It will not be possible for me to carry on with this trip without my wallet. So please, if I might add, I'd like for you to go and get it for me. But Chidozie and I would be here, waiting in this car. Right? Who are the people in the what? You?
Yes, sir.
Okay, both of you get in the car.
Okay, sir.
Me get it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
Quickly, be fast about it, quickly!
Who are those in this black car? Come. You ran off without an instruction.
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry.
I'd like for you to join them. I'm not sure that he'll be as fast as I want. So you join him so that you hurry them up. We'll be here waiting.
Okay, my prince.
Okay. Make it quick.
Okay, my prince.
Thank you.
Quickly!
Goodness me.
Quickly!
I'm dehydrated, Water. Is there somewhere I can get cold water?
Okay. Yes, my prince.
Cold bottled water, please.
Get him a cold bottled water. Eh? Be fast about it. Right.
And please, while you're at it, I want it cold.
Yes, my prince.
It's really hot, and I don't want the ones with label. I don't trust them. Get me one without a label on it.
my prince, how? You can't see a bottled water without label in this country.
Your prince wants water that is not branded. Make it happen. It's an instruction. Get in the car. Join him. You take this car, so you make it quick. We'll be here waiting for you.
Without a label? Okay. Go and try your luck. Go. Try your luck. Go. Move it. Be fast about it. Go.
What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah.
My prince, what are you doing?
I'm going on a trip. Move.
Are we not waiting for the gas?
Let me help. I'm going on a trip. A personal trip, not a royal trip. Are you coming with me?
What of the bottled water?
Do you want to remain here until my father gets here?
I'll go with you.
Good.
I'll go with you. The bottled water, uncle.
Africa, our mother's land. What a beautiful people. What a beautiful place. Yeah.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.